Hi, this is Michael Schneider from Dazzle CRM. I wanted to show you a more advanced video on how to create custom fields for your company and contact pages. So in this example, I'm hiding most of the fields, and that is just to kind of condense the information for the company page. That way it's easier to kind of see what we're creating here. So the first field that we're going to create will be the text field, and that's just a field that allows you to input whatever kind of information that you want. So let's say we wanted to add the company revenue. That way it'd be easier for us to filter through companies that are making a certain amount of money. So here we're going to refresh the Sixers page, and we have the revenue field now, and we can input whatever we want there. So let's just say $500 million. Now let's save that revenue. Let's come back and we can create another field, multiple choice, and that allows us to create different choices, and then it allows the user to be able to pick one of those to associate with the company or contact. So let's pick competitor for this. So we'll go to the competitor page and we'll add properties. We'll do this company and that other company. And we can add as many properties as we want, 10, 20, 30, 40. It depends on, how many competitors, how many properties you want. And you can sort these in any order to make it easier for you to be able to select that based on how many you have available. So let's go back to the Sixers page, and we now have the competitor below revenue, and let's say the competitor is this company. We'll save it. And the last field that we can add would be select multiple. And it's the same thing as the multiple choice, except we can pick more than one option. We can pick 2, 3, so on and so forth. So let's name this the response. So we're going to call a company, and we want to make sure that we're logging the response to be able to filter it more effectively. And some of the responses, maybe they're interested, they're not interested, maybe they say it's too expensive, or not yet, it's a bad time for them, maybe they want us to reach out later down the road. So let's refresh our Sixers page, and we can see below competitor, there's the response. So let's say we called the Sixers, they were not interested, and they thought it was too expensive. So we have that saved, and that's exactly how we're able to kind of create custom fields. Now we can come back to the order, say while we're calling, the most important thing is for us to be able to quickly record the response. We don't want to have to scroll down and record the response. So let's refresh, and boom, now our response is right there. Now we don't have to scroll down to get to the response. It's right there. We can easily adjust that as we're making calls and quickly contacting leads. So that's how we create custom fields. In this example, we use the company. Same thing works for the contact fields. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns, you can come to the extras drop-down, click on users, support, and let me know about your questions, a problem you might have experienced. If you have any recommendations to make the platform better, feel free. Would love to learn how I can make this better for you and for other users.